Going to you one game that I am playing inside Bitgame, which I'm making around $50 in just 8 minutes, and it is called Soccer Game. If you are interested, if you want to learn more about it, do not forget first to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here back again with another awesome updates from you guys, okay? So let's just jump right into it, okay? So first of all, before I start into that soccer game, taking note that there is a new update about LUT token. So there's already a supply, a chain, also a contra address for this. So before it doesn't have any of this, and they are changing, they are revamping this one. They are also having this deflation mechanism, this usage, and some of the roadmap, and also you can check out the holding dividends, wherein you will get actually more USDT if you are holding more LUT tokens. So make sure to check that one out, because if not, then probably you are missing out. Okay, so let's start now into the Bitgame. So first of all, what you just need to do is click first into the game section and then search for a soccer. So after you've done that, guys, you can now directly play this. And I'm also actually going to play a clip because I already withdraw my money. I'm just really waiting for it to deposit in my case, which will arrive in around 5 to 20 minutes. And as you can see into this part right here, what do you call that? I started with like 100 USD. Okay, so I started with 100 USD. It's really awesome because I'm just really going to explain to you the first simple steps. Okay, so let's just go rewind for a bit. Okay, so this part right here, this is the bet amount in USD tokens that you want to start in, and taking note that it is on USDT token. So make sure that you choose first whatever currency that you want to use before you bet in here, and after that you can now just confirm it and then just start. So there's also some cool features like you can now shoot repeatedly at the same area. It depends on what do you want to do. So it has a different odds whatever you actually click it here. So for you to be able to do it, so start, what you just need to do is just click it here. So click which part of this like net that you want to hit for you to make money. So as you can see here, I started with times 1.01 because I'm just seeing if I am having some good luck as well. So as you can see here, I've been hitting really good amounts of money, and then into this part I dared to hit this goal wherein I'm going to get times 2.5. So take in note, okay, once it has been hit, okay, you will get times 2.5 of your bet amount. So it's really best that if you want to win here into this game easily, okay, I think it's best for you to just double your money until you win like this goal, until you go, and then you go back into your base amount, which I've done into this part right here, and that's just how easy it is. So I hit another goal again. I've been doing this for around 8 minutes, and there are some instances that I'm failing like 3 to 4 times, but after that I'm just hitting it and just actually making some good amounts of money here. So as you can see here, I even lost, but into this part I've got every single loss that I've lost already before. So what I just need to do is just win a single round, and that's what you need. And as you can see here, I've gold from the 16th, and my money is now 120 USD just by playing it for around 3 minutes. And when we're going to go forward here, you can actually see that I've really lost some, because I just really think that I need to differ what kind of the multipliers that I want to hit. And I think it's really best that you want to hit the multiplier that is that you are like betting for like 3 to 4 times. So that's like the recommended part. So it doesn't matter if you lose into this game. What matters is just you just win, and then you go back into your base amount, because that's how you play martingale. You actually do not care like how many times you actually want to lose, but you actually want to care like that one win is all you need for you to be able to get back your money, and also even win more into this game. Okay, so I've been repeating this all over and over again, and it has been really successful for me. As you can see here, I am now like making around 30 USD for just like how many minutes? 5 minutes. And I'm just like repeating it all over and over again. And you can even hit like a sucker for like 5 to 6 times in just 1 minute. So that's how easy it is. So in my case, I do have around 135, and I'm just like constantly losing, but when I win, like I really win big. And it's like this is a proven good strategy if you want to win into this kind of game, because some people are just like betting like all in, which is wrong, because when you are always all in, you are like doing some suicide into your part. Okay, so in my case, like I've golded, my money is now 144, and I lose, and then I repeat it all over and over again, and into this part right here where I'm hitting it for the 3rd time, I actually win, and I even get more than that. So I've got 20 USD, which sells 50 USD in just 8 minutes. Just imagine it. And I even refresh it into this part, guys, so that you will see that it is really legit. So I started literally with like $100, and now it is 150. And first of all, before for you to be able to withdraw this one, just go into your Binance, and then look for a spot. Go to the spot section inside the Binance Binance website, and after you've done that, guys, you actually want to search for a USDT. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm already into the fiat and spot, and now I can just type in USDT and just clicking the deposit, so that I can be able to deposit it into a different I will be withdrawing it and deposit it into my Binance. So make sure that you are like withdrawing into a TRC20, so that you will save, or like you won't pay even any. So that's really free. So just put in your Binance USDT address there, and then just input the verification code that is inside your email. So that is like a precaution method, so that you won't be able, to get hacked or anything. So that's really important, guys. So make sure to check that one out. And after I've done that, guys, I'm just like really waiting for like 3 to 4 minutes, and it is already deposited into my wallet. Also, you can use my link, and if you use my link, you will get even a free 100 USDT. Just imagine that, guys. Okay, so this link is just special for me. Okay, you won't even find it into the website. So even if you're going to look at the promotions, it is not available here. So make sure to take advantage of it, so that you will be able to play and even make money inside Bitgame. So that's how easy it is. So I'm just really going to wait for like few more minutes, and it will be reflected directly into my Binance account. So after a few minutes, I already got my money from Bitgame into my Binance. So that's how easy it is for you to make money playing soccer, just repeating it over and over again, and you will even make more money into yourself as well. So do not forget to join the Telegram group if you have any questions about them, and if for you to be able to get and updated announcements from Bitgame. So I'm also going to put the link into the description box below. So make sure to check that one out. And also do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.